So I'm both relieved and scared. I'm not feeling so well, but I'm gonna try to spit this out. So yeah, last week, I've been going to doctors like every other day. The last week, I met with a doctor, very, very good. He does really crazy reconstructive cases, and it's a doctor that I had never heard of, and got the recommendation from DeepSeek, my girl. We met via Zoom. He went over everything that needs to take place. Very mindful, very attentive to every little thing. Well, if we do this, then I think he's thought about this almost as much as me, and I've been dealing with this shit for 7 years. So, very, very smart. And I think he's a doctor I might want to go to. I still have to talk to other doctors. There's there's a bunch. And I don't rush into things. And thank God for that, because I could have ended up in way more serious of a situation if I were just really willy-nilly with my decisions. But I thank God that I waited and went to him instead of somebody else, because they would have done me dirty looking back. But the surgery, it's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot. We're going to hope that insurance covers it. He said he's pretty good at getting insurance too, but when I say a lot, I don't mean just financially. That too, donate to the GoFundMe, but I also mean I'm going to be in an 8 to 9 hour surgery. That's how messed up I am. I don't think people realize that, because when you look at me, you're like, wow, that's how messed up of a situation this is. So I'm going to be in an 8 to 9 hour surgery. And you know what? Good, because I would rather somebody take their time, not rush through a surgery, look at what they need to do, what's the most careful and gentle way to go about this, how can we make sure all of it is good, that we're not just, we don't have to go back in and fix something else. Let's do it properly, let's do it right. And that's I'm very grateful that I hope I'm given the chance to get surgery. That would be amazing. That would mean I can breathe, I don't have to be in pain, have sinus infections, throat issues, gland issues, ear, headache. I'm no longer gonna have to wear breathing tubes. He's gonna take all the junk out in my nose that does not belong there. Thank you. And try to restore my old natural nose, which good. Yeah, there's a lot of fucked up shit there that he's gonna have to open up and fix. And he said it's not easy, it's not the worst case, it's not the hardest case, but it's just a matter of doing it. Just a matter of doing it, getting it done. 8 hours, But once it's done, we can hopefully heal and move on. I'll be able to sing. I'll be able to just sleep, live, have energy. That's if this even happens, because I'm so convinced that the universe just wants me dead. I don't like talking about these things until they already happen. So, but yeah, that's it's gonna be a chance for me to actually get back to my old self. And I'm constantly masking pain, and I'm constantly dealing with really awful. I feel like I have COVID every day. I feel like a zombie that's half alive. So please donate to the GoFundMe, because I'm pretty sure insurance is going to try to find a little loophole to get out of paying for it, even though the reason I'm on insurance in the first place is because of this. So they definitely should cover it legally, but you know how they are. They like to find little loopholes. Well, because of this and X, Y, and Z. Yeah, you know about that. We wouldn't have Luigi Mangionis if insurance did what the fuck they were supposed to do. But yeah, donate to the GoFundMe. The link is in my bio on my it's everywhere. If you just want to Google Lexa Terrestrial GoFundMe, it's called A Matter of Life and Breath. So.